Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is about which profession is best for you, and there's three piles. Which pile you are attracted most, choose that one. I am going to the reading number one. So those who choose the pile number one with this crystal Math of India, your first card is okay. Your the profession, best profession is for you is in which you can use your intuition, like priest or tarot reader or crystal ball reader, something like that, uh, or artistic mind. You have artistic mind, and you will be artist, some kind of artist, musician, dancer, painter, any kind of artist, and in which you can make great number of friends. Okay, and this profession is best for you. Okay, and maybe for some of you it is for doctors. This doctor profession is also good for you. And 10 of air, yes, musician, storyteller, something like that, good stories which can make our mind happy, relaxed. Okay, and musician, dancer, theater character, something, actor. Okay, release, okay. Or maybe a guard. You is also better for a guard. Yes, you are a money maker person, and for some of you it is good for you in this these jobs, in these professions, intuitive profession, a doctor, a priest, a tarot reader, or some artistic things. You can make a lot of money. Yes, your mind is working on these things, and you are going to make a lot of money with these professions. And with this story writing and relaxing others, you have to do a lot of work. You are a hard worker, and you will get benefit out of your hard work. Okay, inshallah. And release some kind of guard, or just like a priest, and maybe you are attracted towards someone, and I think you have to release that person if you want to be some person, if you want to make money. Or maybe you have to marry someone to get to your goal, and you don't be like the person, weeping person, crying person. This is not happening to me, why is this not happening to me? Don't like that person. Make happy those who are crying. Give your love to everyone. Be attractive person. And with this express your love, definitely express your love by your passion, and expressing love from your music, from your dance, from your drama actor scene, and with your doctor profession. And with this, I am a Kali. From death comes rebirth. Okay, maybe you have to leave some this the current job. What are you doing in your current situation? The job, you have to leave that, then you can start the other thing, something new. you're a very sweet person, and for some of you, you are good in making sweet bakeries and something like that. You have to start your own profession. These are the profession for you, my pile number one. And which profession is best for you, take that one. I'm going towards the reading number two. And if you want to know more about my situation, I have, this is my first video on this topic, the job topic, the profession topic. So if you want to know more about the situation, then keep watching my videos, my new videos, upcoming videos, so you can get some advice, some help from them. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes, bye. I'm going towards the reading number 2. For those who choose the pile number 2 with this blue color earring, your first card is King of Earth. Generous, professional, responsible, practical. A successful time, confidently accept opportunities you are offered. The Midas touch. In this time, you, whatever you are going to start a profession or some what is that, business, you are going to you have profit with that. Okay, this is the good time for you. And the good, you're professional person and practical also. So working in some firm, you having your own office, some kind of, and maybe accountant or manager, some kind of that kind of a job. And responsible, okay, a guard, a policeman, a cop, some kind of that. Okay, and with that okay, Page of Swords. In that professions, please don't cheat. Don't ever cheat in that professions. If you have any planning about cheating others, then leave this situation over here. Don't cheat them, because these professions needs loyalty, and if you ever cheat them, they will punish you. And with this 8 of Fire, events moving at a fast pace, delays are over, many things happening at once. For some of you, little number of you, you are good in racing, like that Olympics race, something like that. Yes. And with this 10 of Water, contented and rewarding. If you want to be some successful person, I think with this card you have to leave your family first. You have to leave them. You have to leave that person who is in love with someone, or like a child, like a person. Don't be like that. And with this card, yes, definitely, once again, or maybe you are a cop, and that's why you don't have to love everybody. Be aware. And yes, the profession, the job that that is not relaxful, that is not easy job, a stressful job, like a labor, some kind of that thing. Okay. And with this, give your relationship a chance. Work on your relationship. Okay. And for some of you, maybe you are leaving, or you had left your family, and you have to give your relationship a chance. Then when you are having some profit in your life, and please um, uh, police or teacher or uh, guard, something like that, having an eye on someone, or uh, CID like person, or some job in government, guard something. And with this, you have to be a person with no anger, with no desire to for revenge, something like that, like a priest, like a teacher, like a nurse, something like that. And be hopeful, and you will surely get some good job for your situation. Okay, how much you have, how many degrees you have. And with this card, I think some of you is good in harvesting profession or field. Yes, you can have your own garden, your own field to grow something. You are very wise person, and you have to be in government situation, or in healing profession, like tarot card reader or something like that, or astrological person, astrology related. This is all for you for my pile number 2. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, then go and yes, you have to watch my all videos, upcoming videos, so you surely get some advice from there. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes, bye. I'm going to the pile number 3. For those who choose the pile number 3 with this golden color Mata Bindiya, your first card is King of Fire, motivated, ambitious, charismatic, idealistic. The best profession for you is like a guard, uh, policeman, labor, something like that. Okay, your wishes are not coming true, and I think with that card you are not having a lot of degrees or some professional ability. So you are better, for your betterness, you, and your luck is not with you, so that this job is better for you. Guard, labor, something like that. And with this the lover. Okay, you will better have the profession of like butchers, that you need no love, attraction toward anybody. Maybe in army, that is also good for you, that you have no politeness towards others. Okay, and in police. And with this King of Swords upside down, Knight of Swords. Okay, with once again, no passion for someone, no love, and like police, like army, soldier, and a butcher, um, and with this hiding something, maybe a CID person, or You are hiding something. Maybe you are a cheater, and the job in which you can cheat others little bit like that, but don't do that. This is not good for you. Like a CID person, or having military secrets. Yes, you are good in hiding something, or you have to listen to others problems and ignore it, like priest. Okay, and with this, yes, definitely no love for others. With no love for others, that's mean butcher, hunter, and soldier. Yes, parasite killer. Okay, and attraction. Maybe some of you is better for their betterness. You are good in gardening, and religious factor, in some kind of something related to religions, like priest, Molvi, pujari, something like that. Shallow grave. Oh, you miss someone, and the person who is look after the graveyard, the graves, someone like that. That's why there is no love for others, because that person have no affection, no love for others, because if they have some, they are not able to stay over that place. That place is very, very hard to live. Okay, grumpy red fairy, be your true self. And the person that that is your true self. Don't make any face, put any mask on your face. Be a true person as you are. With that card, I think in banking line somewhere. Okay. Okay, strangely lonely, holding on way too tight. Now, what's for this card? And if you want to do something, you have to be strict about that. That I want to do it. I am going to do it. I'm not going to do anything else. I'm not getting anything from this. Future, and be positive for your future. Plan for your future. That is good for you. That's all what I got for you in this reading, my file number 3. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, then go and watch my previous videos, or you can surely have you would look at my new videos. You can surely get some help from there, and with lots of good wishes, with lots of love. Bye. We will see each other again.